Hello, guys. As of right now, I am going to give a weather update to all the states that are currently experiencing severe weather. Over here in Florida, there is a tornado warning. There is a tornado warning right here that will go until 2 o'clock. In Florida, there are also 2 other tornado warnings in Alabama. Dropping in for their second runs. Headlined by this young man, Dusty Hendrickson. Dusty front left same way through the cake rail. Comes right off the end. There we go. Right here, the rotation for this one. There it is right there. It's broad, but it is still there most certainly. Then up here. And right here, there's the rotation for this tornado warning. There's also some rotation right here. It's weak. It's weaker than the ones to the south, but it is still there. You know, it's not impossible to get another tornado warning. Most certainly not impossible. And then up here with the winter storm. Yeah, I'm not calling it Winter Storm Fern because that is lame as hell. Anyways, the snow is up here. It stretches from Illinois to the New England region. There's also some sleet down here in areas like Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. Let's do this on my other phone real quick. Is it focus? So yeah, right there. There's the snow, and the sleet is right here in areas like Philadelphia and Washington, D.C. There could also be some freezing rain and cold rain mixed in there. Winter storm warnings and ice storm warnings go into effect down here and up here as well, along with extreme cold warnings over here in the south. So really that is your weather update for the country, and that'll be about it from me for right now.